Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to spin the wheel for bonus in the Wish app. Just open the app, click on Blitz Buy, and then click on Spin. Wait a little bit, and then it's 100 for me. Click on Play Now. Wait a little bit, and now you can add these deals to the cart for actually 10 minutes, so they are cheaper and you can add them and buy them. That's basically it. I hope this will be useful for you.